This exercise works the back of your arms, and if you find it a little bit too much, then I'm going to suggest that you leave this one out. But for most of you, I'm sure you can. Have a go. Just make sure you're secure. You're going to sit right on the edge of your chair, holding the chair securely, hands gripping inwards, both sides, and you're going to slowly slip your bottom off the front of the chair and then pushing the elbows back, dip down and back up. Now you might find you're only doing a little bit. You might find you only just slip off and have to come back. You just slip off and come back. But if you're able to, come here and lift. Really good, strong body weight exercise for the back of the arms, the triceps. Watch you don't let the elbows flare out. Trying to keep them coming straight back. Quite an intense exercise. You might not need to do very many of these. I'm feeling quite warm doing this one today. You don't have to come down as far as me. If you're only coming here, that's fine too. Go as far as you need to challenge yourself. And then when you've had enough, slide back onto your chair and shake out those arms. Give them a little bit of a tricep stretch. So taking the arm up, down the back, and push back, either here or here. Well done. Hold that for a moment. And we're going to come to the other side, taking the other arm up, down the back. Either push here, try and push with a flat palm so you're not pushing your fingers into the muscle, or on the elbow. Be aware of your body posture here, that you're not arching your back. Try and keep nice neutral spine, keep that head upright. So if you're struggling here, it does depend on the length of your arms compared with your head. You might find you have to have the hand across in front of your face. I can quite comfortably do this. I've got a small head. And release. Shake out the arms.